Dear students, today we are going to discuss expression for total resistance in case of series, that is resistors or resistances in series. In series, let three resistors with resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. As shown, we will draw the figure first of all here. Let this be the resistor, one resistor with resistance R1. Let this be the second resistor with resistance R2, and let this be the third resistor with resistance R3. Since they are connected end to end so that same current flows through them, we say they are in series. Positive, negative, let this be the battery. Here we use the emitter. Here we will use the key. Let V1 be the potential difference of resistor R1, V2 be the potential difference of resistor R2, and let V3 be the potential difference across the ends of this resistor with resistance R3. This is the current I. Let total potential difference be equal to V. Let's proceed. Let V1, V2 and V3 be their respective potential differences. Potential differences. And I be the current. I be the current. Their current. The current. One and the same. Here, total potential difference PD V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 plus V2 plus V3. Let this be the equation first. Now, we will use the Ohm's law for values V1, V2, V3. Since we know as per Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. It is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. So potential difference of any resistor is equal to the product of the current flowing through it and the resistance of the resistor. Therefore, using V is equal to IR, that is Ohm's law, we will find the value of V1. V1 is the potential difference of this resistor. It will be equal to the current flowing through this resistor multiplied by the resistance of this resistor. Current is same, that is I. Same current flows through all of these three resistors, I, R1. Similarly, V2 is equal to, V2 is this potential difference across the ends of the resistor having resistance R2. It will be equal to the product of the current flowing through it, that is I, and the resistance of the resistor, that is R2. IR2. V3, it is equal to this V3. Potential difference across the ends of this resistor will be equal to product of the current I and resistance of this resistor R3, that is IR3. Use these values in equation first. We will use these values in equation first. This V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. That means V is equal to this V. In place of V1, we will write its equivalent value, that's IR1. Plus, here plus sign. In place of V2, we will write its equivalent value, that's IR2. V2 is equal to IR2. Here the sign plus, we will write here plus. And V3 is equal to here IR3. So in place of V3, we will write the IR3. Now, if all these resistors connected in series, here you can see, if their total resistance will be equal to R, this is R, positive, negative, plate, and this is current I. If the total resistance of these three resistors will be R, then total potential difference V will be equal to product of the current and resistance, that is IR. Okay? If R is the equivalent resistance or total effective resistance, effective total resistance, then by Ohm's law, अगर इन तीनों की रेजिस्टेंस का टोटल होगा R, तो क्या होगा ओम्स लॉ के मुताबिक, तब टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V will be equal to IR. This is the equation second. Here we will mark this equation second, and this is the equation third. See, equation second and third. V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. This is second. Here in equation third, V is equal to IR. Comparing these two equations, we will see V and V are same. So left hand sides are equal, therefore right hand sides will be equal. Therefore IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. From equation second and third, we get IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. If we will divide both sides by I, we will get R. R is equal to, ये R हम बाहर निकालेंगे तो अंदर क्या रहेगा, ऐसे रहेगा I इंटू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. फिर अगर दोनों साइड हम डिवाइड करेंगे I से, ये I और I कट हो जाएगा, इसका I और इसका डिवाइडर I कट हो जाएगा, तो हासिल होगा R इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. अब R क्या किया है हमने, सपोज वी हैव सपोज्ड R इज द टोटल इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस. सो इन केस ऑफ सीरीज, total effective resistance is equal to sum of the individual resistances connected in series. This is the required equation. You can also write here, or within brackets we will write S, that means total resistance in case of series is equal to one resistance plus second resistance plus third resistance, dash dash dash, so on and so forth. I hope you might have understood this derivation of this equation for total resistance in case of resistors connected in series. Thanks.